Hello everyone, this is my introduction for Class 620, Processes and Methods. My name is Jessica. I am 47 years old. I live in Lebanon, Pennsylvania, and I have a bachelor's degree from Penn State University in criminal justice and police administration. My son is a current junior at Penn State University, majoring in nuclear engineering, and he's also in the ROTC program. I am an empty nester, which kind of motivated me to finish my master's degree, so to say. A little bit about me and my family. I am an only child myself. My grandparents are from Italy and Greece, so as you could see, I love pasta and I love cooking. So those are my fun hobbies. I also like to hunt deer and also fish. I go to every Penn State home football game in the fall to visit my son and mostly tailgate, and he will soon be commissioned into submarines next fall at this time, and also be a full-time Navy officer when he graduates from Penn State. I currently work for Milton Hershey School Campus Safety Department, located in Hershey, Pennsylvania. Yes, home of the chocolate bar. I've worked here for 24 years, roughly going on my 24th year, and this school is a pre-K through 12th grade non-profit residential school for low-income, social, and financially needy students. We currently have close to about 2,100 students and 1,600 employees. And Milton Hershey started this school back in 1909. It was originally for orphan boys, but in 1977, orphan girls were welcomed, and now we have changed the enrollment criteria slightly to help more needy students. After failing several times, Milton Hershey finally became a very rich man and was successful at Hershey Company, but he did originally start making caramels in Lancaster County, also a couple other chocolate businesses, and he failed at a lot of them. But he definitely became successful, and the school is still thriving today, even though he did pass, and the school is reaching out to many, many students and helping them in many capacities. Some of my educational goals. I became an adult educator about 15 years ago when our Human Resources Department needed someone to train and teach all the OSHA mandated trainings, so I kind of took that role on. My role definitely expanded and changed to where I do a lot more adult trainings now throughout campus, and a lot are mandatory. 75% of them are mandatory trainings, and then there's a small 25% of trainings that are not mandatory. I'm very passionate with teaching adults, and I do enjoy adapting my teaching style to the learner, and I like to empathize and be sympathetic with the adult learner. In my free time, I like to volunteer at a few nonprofit organizations, but my love for animals is my passion. I have 4 cats, a dog, 27 chickens, and a rabbit that I rescued, but I do like to rescue animals that need homes. Last year was a unique situation. I did rescue a 7-year-old terrier who was abandoned in a housing complex. His name is Winston, and I trained him for several months, and we became certified as a therapy dog through the Therapeutic Dog International. Winston and I visit schools and nursing homes for companionship, and he loves people. So finally, next time you're in Hershey or you eat a chocolate bar, I ask that you look at the back of the wrapper. It does support every student here at the school, and to keep our legacy, we ask that you eat lots of chocolate. So think of me next time you eat any chocolate, especially Hershey's. And if you ever want to visit Hershey, just let me know. All right, well, thank you, everyone. It was nice to meet you, and I hope to learn more about everyone else.